Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta akinyira mucii-ini munene wa Vatican ndagika nini thutha wa thaa 4 cia ruciini mathaa ma bururi ucio. Na mukirwa na gitio kia mutongoria wa bururi ni arangiria baba mutheru Pope Francis na mucii wa Vatican. Mutongoria wa bururi ambiriirie iceera riake umuthi na gutabania giikaro na baba mutheru Pope Francis. Na uria nowe Bishop munene wa kanitha wa Gathoreki thiini wa thi thutha wa gukorwo amukiritwo na kunyitwo ugeni ni muthikabu Pietro Parolin, na uria urugamiriire maundu ma nanja wa Vatican. Na miario gatagati ka president na baba mutheru yatabanio irongoreirio maundu matiganite, ari hamwe na uria eri manginyitanira hari gwetha njira itiganite cia kung'ethanira na king'uki gia COVID-19, undu umwe na kuriukia utongo wa bururi kurumirira morito maria maumanite na king'uki giki.
We anticipate that during this audience, the Holy Father and His Excellency the President will discuss further and deepen that relationship in terms of how we combat the pandemic going forward. They will also discuss economic recovery strategies. As you know, many of the economies in the world are suffering right now. Austerity measures have been put in place.
Farodhi wa Kenya mucii-ini wa Rome Jude Wahungu akiuga wuiguano gatagati ga Kenya na Vatican ukoretwo ugacirithitio kwa ihinda. Guku akigweta wiruteru wa kanitha wa Gatoreki hari ukinyaniria wa mathomo na urigitani icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi ta kionereria kia undu uyu. No gwicera riri ria president akauga rikurongoreria kugacirithia makiria unyitaniri uyu.
Very many Kenyans, including our leaders today, have benefited from a Catholic education. And this is Kenyans from all walks of life. Together with also this education is the issue of the churches and health. Many Kenyans are also aware of the mission churches that have spread throughout their country.
President Kenyatta noe mutongoria wa mbere wa bururi kugena mucii-ini wa Vatican thutha wa kunyitwo ugeni ni baba mutheru. Haha Farodhi Wahungu akigweta wiruteru wa Kenya hari kugacirithia thayo mabũrũri-inĩ matiganite ta wa gutio muno mucii-ini wa Vatican. Makiria riri Kenya itanyitwo kwambiriria kunyita itemi kanjo-ini nene ya ugitiri ya urumwe wa mabũrũri UN.
It's important for us in Kenya to appreciate the value, the importance and the fact that this visit is extremely rare. The reason that it is rare is that it's not usual for the Holy Father to have an audience with just any head of state. He values the role that our president is playing in very many aspects. Very important for us at this critical juncture is that Kenya is preparing for its tenure at the Security Council, which starts in a few weeks.
Hinde iceera riri President Kenyatta ni atanyitwo gutabania giikaro na President wa Italy Sergio Mattarella, uria onake matanyitwo gutabania miario igi unyitaniri gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri kiwonjoria, ugitiri undu umwe na njira itiganite cia kung'ethanira na king'uki gia COVID-19. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunya.